I'm Dr. Vikas Naik, Medical Officer in charge of Community Health Center Valpoi. I feel very happy to announce that our CSC Community Health Center Valpoi has been awarded for national certification. We have qualified for National Quality and Equal Standard certification with 92% score. This certification is done by the national team, and panel assessors had come to our CSC to assess us on 6th and 7th of March, and they have assessed all 9 departments of our Community Health Center Valpoi, and we have successfully cleared this NQAS certification assessment exam. I would like to thank our director for continuous guidance. I would like to thank Dr. Ujjwala continuously monitoring us, allowing Dr. Siddhi, Dr. Nadine, and Dr. Gita Deshmukh. There were 9 departments under which we were assessed, which included our administrative department, our laboratory services, our OPD services, our pharmacy and medical store, our auxiliary services, our emergency services, emergency and accident services, labor room, X-ray, and our inpatient department services. There are various parameters when we assess our CSC for the same. This includes how we give provision of the quality health services to the patient who attend our hospital. This includes the patient's rights, inputs, the support services, the clinical services, infection control services, and quality management and outcomes. These are the basis on which the facility is assessed. I am very happy that our staff has worked very hard. It is their determination, their hard work, because of which we were able to get this certification. Ultimately, I would like to thank our director for the guidance, Dr. Ujjwala Prabhudesai, Dr. Siddhi, Dr. Nadine, Dr. Gita Deshmukh for their continuous monitoring, and which made it possible for us, along with our CSC staff who has worked very hard to get this certification. My special thanks to Dr. Rajendra Desai, OSD to HM, and our Honorable Health Minister Vishwajit Raneji for his motivation. We would provide quality services to all the patients who are attending our hospital without any social, caste, or gender discrimination. And the medicines would be provided free of cost. Also, the referral services would be provided free of cost to all the patients.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.